This is the ESOH primer inspection video. The purpose of this video is to assist you in preparing for the external ESOH inspection. There are several points we shall cover. ESOH questions you should know, flammable locker configuration, labeling of containers, procurement streams, MSDSs, 3952s, training requirements, lockout tagout, and Air Force acronyms. Your flammable locker should be locked until needed, should be clean and organized. Your shop should have current 3952s and MSDSs on hand for each chemical stored. Shelves should be labeled and match posted chemical listings. There should be no shop tools, gas-filled containers such as propane or LP gas in locker. This is the hazardous chemical warning label. You're required to put in the common name, hazard code, national stock number, part number, nomenclature or actual industrial name of the chemical, specific hazards and precautions that you need to take when dealing with this chemical, manufacturer's name, and the manufacturer's contact number. All hazardous material purchased with the GPC or impact card must be authorized with an approved control number issued by Chemical Staging Area CSA1 or Hazmat Pharmacy. Ensure all containers are labeled with what is inside the container. Air permits cover a vast range of career fields, from abrasive blasting units to chemical warfare agents. The next slide will show you a generator starting with load and then with no load. Notice the exhaust of both pictures. Are your MSDSs readily available? They should be. They're for your safety. As you can see, there are various tools to secure valves and breaker boxes. Select the best one to satisfy your lockout tagout process. The key to lockout tagout is to read the most current OIs. Select the best tools, the locks for the job. Sign your lockout tagout checklist. Disable the power. Secure the switch in an off position. Sign your do not energize cards and notify your supervisor of actions. The future of our groundwater supply depends on how clean it is. The overall quality of water in the Edwards Aquifer currently surpasses all federal drinking water standards. However, the unique nature of the Edwards Aquifer makes it susceptible to pollution. Due to the location of the recharge zones, pollutants can easily get into our water. No layer of soil or sand can act as a filter. Once pollutants enter the aquifer, they are extremely difficult, if not impossible, to remove. Know your spill plan. Know the negative effects of pollution on our water supply. Know the difference between stormwater and sanitary drains. Know what can and cannot go into a storm drain. Know what can and cannot go into a sanitary drain. Know where your affected storm drains go. Know the locations of Leo Creek and other water outfalls. And train all your employees and peers on what to do and who to call in case of a spill. These next two slides show what everyone within the Work Center should be looking for within their IAP. In addition to our local CBTs, these are some AFIC classes that you can also take. In summary, we talked about the ESOH questions you need to know, air permits, flammable lockers, correct labeling of containers, procurement streams, MSDSs and 3952s, training requirements, lockout tagout procedures, CBT training, and Air Force acronyms. Hopefully this will help you in the upcoming inspection.